get you on this next part. It's kind of dancing. So you're like this. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. I should make this 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 4, 5. You should be facing the direction of travel. Everybody moves that way. That's the front. Everybody moves that way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 is up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So from here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 5, you're going to do a chassé. 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So it's going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. And you're going to keep your flag under here like this. And you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. So when you jump, you're pulling from here up to you. So this is 45. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in. So 9 in, okay? So we'll go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 in. The rest is easy. 9, 10, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Just throw that bad boy down. Just make sure that it's flat. You've got to make sure that everyone goes together. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Got it? Let's try that all together. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1. Sorry. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. And you don't have to duck down. Just go here. And then you're going to go on to the next thing. It's kind of bouncy right now. And it's making noise. But when you're on the field, it won't make that much noise, okay? Just make sure that you tape up those bolts like I told you. Let's try it this way. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2,